Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw membership revenue in Memberful detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw membership revenue in Memberful, start by logging into your Memberful account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Look for the Payouts tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Payouts to view your revenue summaries. Here, you will see your available earnings and any pending payouts. To initiate a withdrawal, find the Request Payout button. Click on Request Payout to begin the process. Select your preferred payout method from the options provided. Common payout methods include bank transfer or PayPal. If this is your first withdrawal, ensure your payment details are correctly set up. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary payment information. After filling in the details, review your payout request carefully. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Once everything looks correct, click the Confirm button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your request has been submitted. Payout processing times may vary based on the selected method. You can return to the Payouts section to track the status of your request. Wait for an email notification once your payout has been processed. If you encounter any issues, check the Memberful Help Center for assistance. This concludes the detailed guide on withdrawing membership revenue in Memberful. Feel free to reach out to Memberful support for any additional inquiries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.